Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Apple CarPlay not working on iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you have recently installed iOS 26, now if you want to use Apple CarPlay Connect and but it is not working on iOS 26 or having a problem, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back and you have to try to open the Apple CarPlay Connect. But if it is not working, then you have to simply open the App Store here, and in App Store you can simply search for Apple CarPlay, and you can look for any other options here in App Store. You can simply search for Apple CarPlay. So you will find many apps, but if you want to use the original one, then you can simply wait for some time so that a new update available and your all the errors in the Apple CarPlay connector can be resolved. But if you want to solve it now, then you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem, and after that you have to simply send it to the Apple support and ask for the solution. Moreover, you can also search in the Apple discussion forum so that you can find it whether you are having the problem or all the iOS 26 community is having the same problem. So in this way, you can simply check for the solution in Apple discussion also and ask the community to help you how they solve the problem of Apple CarPlay not connecting or not working on iOS 26. So hope you have liked this video and get more videos like these. You can subscribe our channel.